Did the government once try to control hurricanes? In 1969, a team of scientists seeded a hurricane with silver iodide, attempting to weaken its winds. This was Project Storm Fury, a government initiative to control the weather. The project's goal was to reduce the damage caused by hurricanes by manipulating their intensity. The method involved injecting silver iodide into the eye of the storm, hoping to disrupt its circulation patterns. However, the results were inconclusive, and the project was eventually discontinued. The idea of manipulating nature on such a massive scale is unsettling, and it raises questions about the potential consequences of such actions. What do you think happened?